Hello all, I hope everyone is well. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with a very interesting SQL video. Let's just understand the problem, then we will jump into the solution. So today we have been given a table where there are two columns in a table. Is basically one is vendor, another one is product, and we need to create this kind of output. So let's just understand what we need to generate. So we have three vendors, vendor A, vendor B, and vendor C. And for each and every vendor, we have three products. Okay, we have three products. So what we need to find out here is for vendor A, so we need to find out number of exclusive products. Like what are the products for vendor A which other vendors don't have? Okay, so that is the number of exclusive products. Let's say for A, there is a product called orange. That orange, other vendors don't have that, right? So that means A number of exclusive product is 1. If you see B, okay, if you see for the vendor B, for B we have strawberry and apple. Those products, other vendors don't own it. Okay, so for B, the number of exclusive products is 2. For C, if you see for vendor C, we have pineapple, which other vendors don't have. So for C, it is 1. If you see for C, grape and peach, it is already there for A, right? So those won't be there in the output. For B, if you see for peach is already there, apple is also there, right? Sorry, peach is only there, not strawberry and apples. That's why it is 2. For A, only orange is there for A because grape and peach are already there for vendor BSC somewhere. So this is something we need to generate. I hope this is clear. It's a pretty simple problem. So let's see how we can solve it. So I will give the script to the description box. If anyone wants to give it a try, please post it in the solution in the comment box section. Post your solution in the comment section. Okay. So now, so this is our data, right? This is our data basically. Now, how we are going to solve it? So what is the approach that we need to follow to solve it? So the very interesting step, or I can say that the very easiest way to solve it is basically just take let me show you. So vendor, product, and take the count for each product. Okay, so count of 1 over, so I'll use it as a window function over partition by product. Why I am doing this, or why I'm doing this, you just will get to know. So product as in a say count. Okay, so if I run this, why am I doing this? Just because so I need to get the count for each product. Okay, so if you see for pitch we have 3 occurrences, right? So that's why the count is 3. For grape we have 2 occurrences, right? And for orange, we have only 1 occurrence. For apple, we have only 1 occurrence. Pineapple, we have only 1 occurrence, and strawberry also we have 1 occurrence. So if you think very carefully, wherever the occurrence is 1, we need to take those because those are only appearing only one time in the you know output. So if we count, or if you can count those for each vendor, if you can count those for each vendor, then that is our answer, right? So what you can do, so you can put it into a city, right? We can put it into a city, prepare data as okay. So what you can do, select, right? Select, what you can do, vendor. Okay, for vendor, sum of, you can write case when cnt equals to 1, then 1, and from the CTE as a group by vendor, right? What I'm saying, when the count is 1, then 1, then sum it. So if you see for B there is 1, also it has 1. So if I sum these two, we'll get 2, right? So that vendor B has 2 products which other vendors don't have, right? For A, if you see, for A we have only one, and for C also we have only one. So one it will be there. So what I'm doing is sum of case when count equals to 1, then 1 end. So just take the count or take the sum of the count, okay, and group by vendor, right? So if I sum it up, if I do this calculation, so we'll get 1 2 1. So just put the name as what was there, if you see number of exclusive products, right? Put number of exclusive products and just run this, right? So this is our output. It's pretty simple, huh? So this is the solution. It is very simple code basically you can construct. If you have any other solution, please post that into the comment section so I can view it. And yeah, so we can again come into a different session and talk about SQL videos. Till then, thank you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Please share with your friends, and thank you again. Bye.